Okay, hello. This is a brand new screen that we put on, and you can see that it gets fingerprints on it, and it'll get any dirt, dust, mud, anything from an emergency scene on top of it, and you have to clean it with a solution. This solution that we're using right now uses 1 ounce of liquid dish soap to a bottle of water, and we spray it on and just wipe it off with a clean cloth. And yet we'll still get the fingerprints and everything on it. So it takes constant cleaning to keep it clean. If we apply one of the brand new screen protectors, this won't show the fingerprints as much. It'll reduce the amount of glare in the street, and it cleans easier. This only costs $10 to replace versus the screen is about $100. So we can apply this with a little bit of soap solution, and we apply a little bit of soap solution to the back of the protective surface. And we can move it around because of the wet surface any place we want. We take a credit card or a squeegee out the excess, and we wipe it dry. Now this is protecting that $100 surface of the LifePak 15 or a LifePak 12. And you can see it doesn't mark with the fingers as much, and there is no glare from the sun. It helps protect the whole surface from scratches, any of the fluids, any harsh chemicals and everything else, and it can be removed very easily just by pulling on a corner and removing it. You can replace these with the $10 protective screensaver, or you can use the original, which costs over $100.